It started like any ordinary Tuesday morning. My teenage son, Alex, had finally saved up enough money to get a small, meaningful tattoo, a simple symbol on his forearm. Nothing extreme, nothing illegal, but in our neighborhood, ordinary decisions often became extraordinary problems thanks to HOA Karen and her obsession with control. Before Alex even left the tattoo parlor, Karen had called in what she claimed were law enforcement officials. Within an hour, a group of men in tactical gear showed up at our front door, helmets, vests, and all. They weren't city cops. They were part of a private HOA security force that Karen had somehow convinced to act like a SWAT team. Alex, last name, "You're under arrest for violating HOA regulations," one of them barked. The absurdity of the situation didn't register immediately. HOA regulations? Arrest? For a tattoo? My wife, Emily, who happens to be a district attorney, stepped in immediately. Calm but firm, she demanded to see their credentials and the legal basis for detaining our son. The SWAT team stumbled. No warrant, no city police identification, no jurisdiction, just a group of overzealous enforcers taking instructions from Karen. Emily stayed composed, but inside, her mind raced. This wasn't just about Alex's tattoo anymore. It was about blatant abuse of power, harassment, and intimidation. By the time they had handcuffed Alex, Emily had already called the county sheriff and contacted her colleagues in the DA's office. Within minutes, the county deputies arrived, confirming what Emily had already known. The HOA arrest was completely illegal. The fake SWAT team was forced to release Alex immediately. From door to freedom, the entire ordeal had lasted 4 excruciating minutes, but the shock to Alex's teenage mind felt much longer. Afterward, Emily made it clear to Karen and her cronies that any further attempts to intimidate our family would face serious legal consequences. Alex, meanwhile, washed off the leftover ink marks from the handcuffs and looked at his mom in awe. "It's crazy," he said. "They actually thought they could get away with this." Emily smiled, ruffling his hair. "Crazy is their specialty. But in this house, we play by the law, not by HOA rules." And just like that, the day that started with a simple tattoo ended with a hard lesson. In our family, no amount of HOA nonsense could overpower legal authority.